Hi, today I'd like to talk to you about my cell phone video rig on a budget. It's mostly parts made by a company called Neewer, Neewer, easily found on Amazon and eBay. And this is the rig. It has many functions, and you could probably put this entire rig together without the phone, of course, for about $100. We've got two separate sections here. We've got the upper piece here is a little plastic frame, which is pretty good plastic. We have a little LED mini light. We also have a Neewer video mic that plugs directly into your cell phone. And separately, I purchased this. It's called a video shoulder rig with the 15mm rod, so it's very interchangeable with other professional camera gear. And the beauty of this is we can just undo this little screw here, and then the whole rig comes off to be handheld. Again, this the main rack here for the cell phone, it's quite sturdy. It was about $20 on Amazon or less. The microphone was $25 from Neewer again, and the LED light, I think that was about $17 or something like that. And it really helps stabilize your video, gets two hands on the camera rather than one, gives you a little extra lighting. And then if you want to do some walkarounds, you can also put it back into the mechanism here. It's a little bit hard for me to do one-handed, but once you put that back in there, there we go, get that in there, like that little thumb screw down, then you have the option to throw that thing up on your shoulder. It weighs almost nothing. You can walk around and shoot videos like a pro. Click on some of the links to see my other videos, and I'll show you some of my other filmmaking gear, and hope to see you soon. Thank you. Over and out.